Okay, so welcome back. Now we're going to talk about two important limits that you should always know. So make sure you memorize these. So the two important limits are these two. If you have x, right? So again, this is like y equals x, or the identity function, right? The identity, the identity function. So of f of x equal to y equal to x. Oops, not a. X. Okay, so this is the identity function. So it looks like this. Right? So what this is saying, that the limit of x as x approaches a is a. Okay? And that makes sense intuitively if you think about it, because if f of x is equal to x, then whatever x is, f of x is equal to that, right? Y is equal to that. Okay? And so as x approaches a, well, that means f of x is also approaching a. Okay? And so that's that limit. Now with this one, we're just c is a constant. So again, it says let a be a real number and c be a constant. So in this limit here, the limit of c as x approaches a is equal to c should also make sense, because again, you could use tables, but think about it, it's a constant, right? So we're saying f of x, or excuse me, f of x is equal to c. What this is saying is it doesn't matter what value of x is, it's always going to be c. So this is a horizontal line. Okay? So this is a horizontal line at y equals c. So again, we could have something that looks like this. And this is at y equals c. So again, well, no matter what value of x you put into the function, it's always going to be equal to c. So naturally, the limit as x approaches some value a is always going to be c. Okay? And again, you could use the table to help understand this as well, right? Just create a table. F of x is always equal to c, no matter what value of x is. So what we're dealing with is a horizontal line. So again, the limit is always going to be the same for a horizontal line. It's always going to be wherever the horizontal line is located at y equals c. So again, that's how you define it. So again, this is using the identity function. So the limit of x as x approaches a will always be a in that case. Or you're dealing with a constant function, and in that case, the limit of c, that constant, as x approaches a, will always be equal to that constant. Why? Because it's a horizontal line. That's it. Have a great day.